Tour America's 19th annual Red Cow Sale Day is taking place on Sunday, September 29th at the Red Cow Moran Hotel in Dublin. Absolutely everything will be on sale on the day. Flights, car hire, hotels, cruises, attractions and so much more all on sale. So whether you're booking Orlando, New York, Las Vegas or perhaps a cruise, we will have the best deals for you. Meet with our key partners for inspiration and book your next getaway with our team of award-winning travel experts. For more information, visit TourAmerica.ie or call 018173562. We look forward to seeing you there.